Welcome to part 2 of this master grade Jegan build. I hope you're all doing okay in this world of madness that we currently live in. What I've done now is I've completed painting the legs section here, as you can see. With some lovely off grey, some blue and some yellow. I've gone ahead and done some panel lining here. I was going to use some panel line accent colour in grey, because I thought that'd be nice against this white. But I decided to be incredibly lazy and just go ahead and use an artist's pit pen, just to do all these little notches here and there. And that's now just awaiting some decals. But I'll do all of the decals at once the torso has been completed. So now I've just started painting the torso pieces. Everything's over there drying at the minute, in the same colour scheme. I'm just going to do some masking, I think, on the shoulders. Now here is one of the two pieces that go on top of the shoulders. If I can show you, it would be these pieces here. Can't see it too well on this picture, but they'll be on top here. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a yellow stripe that goes down the centre of this, and the rest of it will be painted in that lovely blue. And in order to make sure that it's consistent on both sides of these pieces, I'm using one of these very handy masking guides here, which has grooves cut into it so I can get exact same widths of masking tape every time. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that in a second, and then I'm going to do the blue parts painting. So let's get on with that. Okay, so here is the completed torso. I had a bit of a problem with some pooling here on the blue parts, but it's okay, I'm going to let that slide. And the masking turned out really nice here on the shoulders. Pretty pleased with how that turned out. And as you can see, I've been applying some decals. These are the Mecha decal sets that I spoke about in the last video, and I've just been applying them all over the model just to give it a bit more interest here and there. Right over there. I'm in the process of just doing the legs at the minute, as you can see. Just doing the same thing, finding any kind of appropriate places to put these tiny warning decals. Let's take you in a bit closer, just so you can see the kind of detail that these decals have. Very nice. Gives a very nice kind of Vercar effect in this white paint job. So I'm pretty pleased with how this is turning out. So I want to go ahead and finish decaling these. I'm going to add another top coat just to seal everything in, and then we're pretty much finished. So that about wraps up this work in progress series for the master grade Jegan. As you can see, it's now all fully assembled, and now all I need to do is take some nice pictures of this and make a nice little slideshow at the end of this video. Just give you a little tour around the model kit here. Now I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. I do apologise that this work in progress was pretty short because I just didn't get around to doing any filming of the painting parts or any of this masking, that kind of thing. But that'll be rectified in the next work in progress. I just wanted to do this as a very simple, straight up, no frills paint job. I ended up not doing any modifications and just went straight ahead and did a nice kind of clean and glossy paint job, and those decals just really set it off nicely. So thank you all for watching. Do subscribe for more work in progress videos. I've got a nice big project coming up next. You can of course follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to see more updates of what I'm up to and that kind of thing. And I hope you're all not going too insane during this crazy global situation. So here's a slideshow for this Jegan, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.